Hello everyone. Here we will learn how to change multiple row height in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel. To change the row height, so simply select the row. So select the one row first. Just click on the mouse and just drag below and select the multiple row. After that, go to the Home tab in Cells group. Click on the Formats option, and here the first option, row height. Okay, and enter the row height. So I just enter here 44 and on OK. You can see the row height is increased. Okay. The second way, after selection the multiple of the mouse and click on the row height option. And here you can enter the row height and click on OK. See the changes over here. Okay. And third way, after selection the multiple rows, you just drag with the mouse and you can see height 97.50. Drag the one row only and set it. That's it. You can see the all row height is same is showing or changed. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.